Alright, so today we're going to be working on Chapter 8 in the Exploring Drafting book. So, once again, we'll open with a template. Now, basically all I'm going to do there is I'm going to show you how to set things up, okay? You've got 18 drawings to do, 6 per page. They're all the same, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use construction lines, okay? And I'm just going to draw. Alright, so this bottom will be 5. And the side will be 2.5. Whoop, I missed the point. There we go, 2.5. So there's your box, right? Now I'm going to take that and explode it. Now I'm going to offset 1.5 2 times. I didn't explode it. Let's try that again. There we go. Offset 1.5. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so there's that. Now, what I want is I want 2 inches between these, right? So I'm going to go from here to here plus 2. So let's see how far that is. We just use measure, distance, here to there. Okay, that's 5.5. And we're going to add 1. We're going to add 2 to that. So we're going to go 7.5. So I'm going to grab all of this, copy, pick 7.5. There we go. Now I'm going to grab this. Copy from here to here. That's 3 sets. And you know me, I like to have things on this side of the thing. So we'll do that. Now we need a second set. Let's see how far it is from here to here. So once again, I'll measure distance. And that's 8. Then I want to add 2 to that, so we can come over 10. I'm going to grab this, copy from here, come over 10. Now I can grab this, copy again, and that's page 1, okay? Let me move this over another inch. That's your first page, that's your second page. And that's your third page. Now the reason why I did those is because all of them are exactly the same, okay? Each one has the same measurements in all 3 of these. Now, remember how we did layouts in the last one? We're going to do layouts in this one. So, I'm just going to rename this, okay? And this is going to be 8-1. Okay, layout 2, I'm going to delete. All right, now, move or copy. Create a copy, move to end, hit OK. Now we got this one, right? We're going to rename that one 8-2. Okay, and we're going to keep doing that. So, move or copy. Move to end, okay? And we're going to keep doing that. Rename that 8-3, okay? And then we're going to keep do another one until you get to 8-18. Okay, so now we got all of them there, right? All right, so you got 8-1 through 8-18 already set up. That's 18 different layouts. Go back to model. There's our point, right? So each one of these has a viewport in it. Okay, 8-1 is going to be this one. Okay, and you're going to do this for all of them. Okay, now we're going to get properties on this one. Let's see how 1-to-1 looks. 1-to-1 looks pretty good. Make sure it's centered in there. Lock your display. Okay, you're going to do that for each and every one of these. Okay, this is going to take a minute. All right, you can't do all this in one day. It's probably going to take you a few class periods, but this is what I want you to do. Do that for 8-2, 8-3, 8-4, and you'll just move down. Okay. All right, so there's that. Now watch this. That's this one. Okay, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So let's start on 1. All right. So I'm going to go back and do object lines. Now I know it's coming here and here and here. But this comes up 0.5. This comes over 1. And then it connects here. Okay? The reason I know that is because you got this one here. And we'll offset this 1. And you got one here. And I'm just going to change this one to the object line layer. Okay? And all right. Whoop, one more. We're going to grab this one, offset it 0.5. And there you go. That's it. Okay? Now, once you get that done, you can go ahead and erase these, but don't yet, because what we're going to do at the end is we're just going to come here, and we're just going to turn off the construction layer like that. Okay? But we'll do that later. Now, you do need to put the dimensions in here that they show. Okay? So, you got one here, and you got one here. You got one here, and you got one here. Now, theirs are only going to be 3 passed, so, or 2 passed. So modify primary units and just go 2 past the decimal like that. Okay. Now to get that straight, now you see how that does that? I'm going to change this so that it just automatically goes in the middle every time. Go to fit, click the always keep text between extension lines button, hit OK, hit close, see, lines it up. All right, now this one doesn't show any dimensions in the book. The only one I want you to do is I want you to do the 2 biggest sides, okay? So top and bottom, just do those 2. Now let's go back to A1, see? Perfect. All right, so we'll set the rest of them up like that as well. Okay, and then I'm going to show you after you finish each one, you can print them one at a time, or you can batch print the whole thing. And we're going to do a batch print. Okay,